Today, we're going to go over the Drive Medical Nitro Rollator. This rollator comes fully assembled and ready to use out of the box. Unique push buttons enable users to easily adjust the height of the handles. The integrated locking brakes hidden inside of the frame of the rollator provide added safety. Complete with a seat, adjustable backrest, and zipped storage compartment, this rollator provides the perfect place to rest for longer journeys. The foldable frame is easy to use with one hand and is compact for easy storage and transportation. The Drive Medical Nitro Rollator is ideal for people looking for a sleek, practical, and affordable mobility aid for every day. Visit halohealthcare.com today for all of your mobility and home healthcare needs.